Healthy eating habits. Adopt a balanced and sustainable diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Portion control is crucial, and it's helpful to be mindful of calorie intake. Regular physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle-strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Sometimes feelings of hunger can be confused with dehydration. Water also helps with digestion and overall health. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions while eating and savor each bite. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy relationship with food. Regular monitoring. Keep track of your weight and food intake regularly. This can help you stay accountable and identify any patterns or triggers that may lead to overeating. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable, realistic, and sustainable weight loss goals. Setting small, incremental targets can make the process more manageable and less overwhelming. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to overeating or unhealthy food choices. Practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or any other activities that help you relax. Get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to increased cravings and decreased metabolism. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Social support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a weight loss group. Having a support system can provide encouragement, motivation, and accountability. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress, no matter how small, can help you stay motivated and focused on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, maintaining weight loss is a lifelong commitment, and adopting a holistic approach that addresses various aspects of your lifestyle is key to long-term success. Always consult with healthcare professionals or nutritionists for personalized advice based on your individual needs and health status.